Hey, it's your girl Tauntaun, and today's tea and coffee drip brought me straight into Chinatown. You heard me right, Chinatown. I had a few errands to run in Manhattan, so I said, why not? So right down on Doyo Street to the iconic Nam Wah Tea Parlor. The line was wrapped, so I had to grab my moment to go. I ordered the Pore tea, which is the classic Cantonese choice and the local favorite. Earthy, deep, grounding, that old soul energy I love. Smooth, dark, slightly woodsy with that sit down and breathe kind of depth. Even on the go, this cup reset me. I'll be back Friday morning for the full dim sum moment, but for today, Pore understood the assignment. Tauntaun Sip Brooklyn approved. Shop small, drink local, sip smart. Ta-ta for now. And Chinatown, I love you.